Hey, your mama on the beat.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real good rock star? This ain't no guitar, it's just a clock.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Great Tay, and today's video it is sponsored by Allove Hair. So they sent me this 4x4 closure bodywave wig. It is 24 inches, and if you know me, I love me some closure wigs because closure wigs is just so easy to install. You just put it on and go. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. As you can see at the front, it's 4x4. The lace at the front, it has clips on the inside, it has adjustable straps at the back. They also sent me a wig cap, and this is their card with all their information, and I'll link all the details for their store and their Instagram and all that stuff. I'll link it in the description bar below. Okay, so I'm just brushing through it, combing through the hair, so you can see that there is absolutely no shedding with the hair. There's no tangle. It is human hair, it's virgin hair. So what I'm doing here, I'm just adding some color to my wig cap because I want it to look like scalp. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. I did not bleach the lace, I just could not be bothered. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in with some powder as well and add that to the lace, okay, before I install. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. And you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe, okay, if you like content like these. And yeah, just subscribe and do the things them. And another thing, you guys, I have lots of other more videos. Feel free to check those out. So what I'm doing, I'm just plopping the wig on my head. I'm going to cut away the lace. And a lot of people always ask me, how do you cut the lace? Honestly, it's very easy. You just cut the lace. And when you're doing it, you want to do like a zigzag motion because you don't want it to be too straight. You want it to have like that natural effect, okay? And you just cut it off away from the wig. So this wig, it was like a 3-part wig, so I was a bit confused on whether I wanted to do a side part or if I wanted to do a center part. So, and I was trying to decide if I even wanted to leave baby hairs at the front. So I was playing around with it a little bit. The hair was not staying down. Spray water on my hair, on the hair, and almost drowned myself. So the reason the hair is not staying down was because there's a lot of flyaways, okay? So that's one thing about the hair that I was not very fond of. Like, there was like a lot of flyaways. Like, when you part the hair, like, it's short. Like, there's a lot of short hair on the inside of the wig. Yeah, I'm not sure why they did that. So I went in with my wax stick, and if that's what you use to tame your flyaways, and I do sell these on my store, I'll leave that in the description bar below as well. So the wax stick just helps the flyaways to stay down pretty much, and that's what I had to do to keep it tamed and just to even create the side part that I wanted, because as I mentioned before, the wig, it was a 3-part wig, so there wasn't no side part, no center part, nothing at all. So I had to create that myself. So I'm just going in with my hot comb so that the wig can be flat. Going in with some foam again because the flyaways, it just did that irritate me, I'm not tell no lie. And that's pretty much how I install this wig. And as I said, I love installing closure wigs because it's just so easy, and I hate using glue on my hair because my edges, I don't want to mash up my edges, like I don't want to pick up my ear with the glue. So I love closure wigs, okay, and it's easy to install. How much time I gotta say that? Jesus. So I'm just combing, just creating some baby hair at the front. Nothing too special because I'm not a huge fan of the only for baby ear them. So, you know, I like to have it looking as natural as possible. So I'm just cut off some of the front and use my edge control and just kind of like swoop it a little bit so it looks nice. So let me know what you guys think of this wig. And as I've said, I'll leave all their details in the description bar below. Be sure to check out their store and check out their Instagram and all that stuff. If there's anything that I missed, let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to answer your question. So this is what the wig looks like when I'm done installing. So that's it. That's all for now, you guys. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. Alright, stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.
In the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. And it's all family.